Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to see if someone read your email or mail tracker for Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To get mail tracker on your Gmail, click on add-ons icon on right corner. Click on drop-down menu on price and select free of cost. Now scroll down. Look, this one is Gmail track, mail track for Gmail. Now click on install. Now click on continue to give permission. Now select your email address and scroll down and then click on allow. Mail tracker for Gmail has been installed. Now click on done. Now close add-ons window. Mail track for Gmail is added here. I'm going to verify. Click on compose. Give the recipient email address. Subject. And type the email body. And now click on insert tracking pixel. Click on mail track for Gmail. Okay. Mail track for Gmail is added. Now click on send. Click on send option. Look, the mail has been sent. Now I'm going to open my another email account. Click on Gmail. Look, the email has been reached. Now I'm going to open the mail. The mail has been opened. Now I'm going to my previous email account. Now click on mail track for Gmail. And look, here is the icon mail tracked. This means the mail has been opened. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.